Hello! I'm Ange Wilson of GnomeAngel, and I'm here to teach you skills to help build your confidence and conquer patchwork with ease. Let's get it started. Step 1. Get the pattern. Click the link in the description below to get the free pattern sent straight to your inbox. While you're getting your pattern, let's do Joke of the Day. What's blue and smells like red paint? Remember to stick around to the end and find out the punchline. Let's get back to our tutorial. To make this block, you'll need the following supplies. An optional nice to have is the From Marty Michelle Perfect Patchwork Template Set T. They will all help you with your accuracy, fabric management, fussy cutting, and time management when it comes to constructing this block. But again, they're a nice to have, not a must have. If you'd like to know more about this nice to have, then check out the information in the description below. Step 2. Cut your pieces. Using the pattern as your guide, cut your pieces. Lay out your pieces as shown in the pattern. Step 3. Join piece B to piece C. Repeat to make 4 of these BC units. My quick tip for those of you chasing accuracy, press your pieces as you work. Step 4. Join your pieces. Join piece D to piece BC to piece D. This will make row 1. To make row 2, join piece BC to piece A to piece BC. To make row 3, join piece D to piece BC to piece D. Step 6. Join your rows. I like to work top down from row 1, then to 2, then to 3. Step 6. Happy dance! Step back and enjoy that block you've made. Good work. If you'd like to make a quilt with this block, the free pattern has all the instructions for making a 60-inch by 60-inch quilt. Perfect for snuggling together on the couch. Here's our joke of the day. What's blue and smells like red paint? Blue paint! Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button.